Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a trustworthy store with Trustpilot step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Trustpilot website. Create an account by clicking on the Sign Up button. Choose the option that best describes your business. Fill in the required details like your business name and email address. Verify your email to activate your Trustpilot account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on Collect Reviews to start gathering feedback. Select the invitation method that suits your needs. You can send review invitations via email, integrate with your website, or use a widget. Make sure to personalize your invitation message to encourage responses. Once you've set up your method, start sending out review requests. Monitor the incoming reviews through your dashboard. Respond to each review, both positive and negative. This demonstrates your commitment to customer satisfaction. Create a section on your website showcasing these reviews. Utilize Trustpilot badges to display your rating. Share your reviews on social media to build credibility. Engage with your customers regularly for continuous feedback. Use the insights gained from reviews to enhance your offerings. Keep your profile updated with accurate information and visuals. Consider integrating Trustpilot features into your customer relationship management systems. Regularly analyze review trends to adapt your strategies. Building a trustworthy store takes time and consistent effort. Follow these steps to establish credibility with potential customers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.